GEMCOR specializes in the manufacturing of electrical panel boards and switchgears, covering both medium and low voltage systems. So we offer complete panel solutions to the unique specifications of each of our clients. And our product range includes distribution panel boards, motor control centers, cable trays, and any customized electrical enclosures. So everything is fabricated and assembled in-house, allowing us to maintain full control over the process from design to dispatch. Our typical clients are contractors, developers, and engineering firms involved in construction of infrastructure and telecommunications. So we've supported a wide range of industries, including commercial buildings, industrial plants, and telco projects also. So they choose GEMCOR for our product reliability, quick turnaround time, and our ability to meet project-specific requirements. So what sets us apart is our complete in-house process. So from raw material handling to our powder coating and our final testing. So everything's in-house. We don't outsource critical steps, allowing us to maintain high quality standards and reduce lead time. And of course, also, it enables us to address any issues immediately. So our in-house powder coating line also ensures that all of our panel enclosures have a consistent and long-lasting finish that resists corrosions and enhances the product life. GEMCOR uses CNC machines for precision cutting and also for precision bending. So it ensures clean and accurate shaping, and we also use spot welding tools for durable fabrication. So for electrical testing naman, we use digital insulation resistance testers, multimeters, and continuity testers. So those tools helps us maintain consistency and reduce the risk of error in both small and large-scale production runs. We follow a strict process of quality control at every stage. No? So starting from raw material inspection when the raw material is delivered until final product testing before delivery. So all panel boards are tested for electrical continuity, insulation resistance, functionality, and also paint thickness before dispatch. We treat every project with careful planning. For bulk or customized orders, we coordinate closely with our engineering department, procurement department, and also our production department, so we can allocate manpower, resources, and also to prepare every raw materials that will be needed. So we also establish timelines with built-in checkpoints to monitor progress and also make necessary adjustments along the way. We believe in continuous improvement. We regularly assess our operations to identify areas where we can improve efficiency and enhance safety. So feedback from clients and frontline workers also helps us update our procedures and fine-tune our processes. We also invest in new equipment and technical training to make sure that our team remains skilled and our processes stay competitive in the industry. Discover how GEMCOR can support your next project. Visit us at gemcor.asia to learn more.